Great morning students, welcome to the science class. My name is Jyoti and I am your science educator. And today we are going to continue the internal question answers of the chapter number 5. So let's start discussing these questions. So the question number 1 is, why can't we use cloth or paper to store liquids? हम clothes या फिर paper को क्यों use नहीं करते हैं किसी भी liquid को store करने के लिए? Answer is, we can't use cloth or paper to store liquid because they are very soft. The cloth and paper are very soft materials. When we pour the liquid into the cloth or the paper, they will leak. The liquid will leak out. Okay, so we can't use cloth or paper to store liquid. So let's move on to the second question. Name two shiny objects. Shiny means lustrous. कौन सी चमकदार दो चीजें हैं? आंसर इज एल्यूमिनियम फॉयल एंड मेटेलिक चेन. दीज आर द two things which are shiny objects. Okay, you can write any of other two shiny materials as well. So let's move on to the question number 3. Question number 3 is, why are cutting tools mostly made of metals? So the answer is, cutting tools are mostly made up of metals because metals are hard. Because metals are very hard in their nature. That's why we make the cutting tools mostly from the metals. Okay, so let's move on to the question number 4. Question number 4 is, name any one substance which is soluble and one substance which is insoluble in water. So salt is soluble in water and chalk is insoluble in water. Because when we dissolve salt into the water, it can easily dissolve into the water. And when we mix chalk into the water, it will settle down at the bottom. Okay, so it is insoluble in water. So let's move on to the question number 5. Question number 5 is, name the property on which floating and sinking of substance depends. Any material which can be float onto the surface of the water and which we will sink into the water, it is depend on their density. It is depend on their density, that they have higher density than water or they have lower density than water. If they have higher density than water, they will sink into the water, and if they have lesser density than water, they will float onto the surface of the water. Okay, so let's move on to the 6th question. Question number 6 is, define material. Material is any substance around you which can be used for making objects. So material, it is any object. Okay, it is any substance which can be used to make any kind of material or any object. Okay, so let's move on to the question number 7. Name the lightest material on the earth. सबसे lightest material कौन सा है अर्थ पे? आंसर इज aerogel. So let's move on to the question number 8. Define microscopic organism. Answer is, organism which are visible only under microscope are called microscopic organism, which cannot be seen with our naked eyes. Okay, we have to use lens or we have to use microscope to see those organisms which are microscopic organism. Okay, for example, bacteria, viruses, these are microscopic organism. For example, coronavirus, you can't see it with the naked eyes, but we can see it with the help of the microscope. Okay, so let's move on to the question number 9. What is unaided? Answer is, unaided means without the help of any lens. When we does not use any lens, then it is known as unaided, means we can see it with our eyes. So the object which is visible to our naked eyes, it is known as unaided without the microscope. Question number 10 is, who is author? Author कौन होता है? Author होता है जो book लिखता है. A person who writes a book. Okay, and question number 11 is, what are the advantages of classification? Classification first of all helps in identification. It can help in identify the things which are kept in different places. And second advantage is sorting of similar and dissimilar things. We can sort the similar as well as dissimilar things onto the basis of their classification. And third is, it is easy to locate things, means हमें जल्दी से मिल जाती है अगर हमें पता हो कि हमने चीज़ कहाँ रखी है. ठीक है, और इट इज हेल्पफुल इन सेविंग द टाइम एंड इट इज इजी एंड मोर मीनिंगफुल स्टडी. Okay, and question number 12 is what do you mean by properties? Properties क्या होती है? अब answer is the feature or characteristic of a material such as appearance, hardness, solubility or insolubility, density and transparency are called its properties. So these kinds of things are kept under the properties. जो outer look होती है किसी भी object की, या फिर कोई hardness means the material it is soft or hard, onto that basis the property is decided. Okay, so let's move on to the question number 13. Question number 13 is write the properties of given material. Answer is you have provided different kind of material, that is wood, metal, plastic and glass. You have to write down their properties. So wood have dull appearance and it is hard, rough, insoluble in water and lower density than water. That's why it floats onto the surface of the water. And it is opaque in nature because it does not allow light to pass through it, and it also form shadow onto the other side. Okay, and second thing is metal. Metal have a very shiny appearance, मतलब lustrous, चमकदार. Okay, and it is hard and it can be smooth. Okay, it is insoluble in water. When we add it into the water, it is not mix it with the water. Also it have higher density than water. Okay, and it is opaque in nature. It also does not allow light to pass through it. So the third thing is plastic. Plastic have very dull appearance. Okay, and it can be hard or soft. It is insoluble, smooth, and it have a lower density than water. It can be opaque or translucent in nature. Okay, and next is glass. ग्लास हैव ए वेरी शाइनी अपीयरेंस, चमकदार होता है, ठीक है, और हार्ड भी हो सकता है और स्मूथ भी हो सकता है. एंड इट इज इनसॉलेबल इन वाटर बिकॉज इट डज नॉट मिक्सेस विद द water. It have higher density than water and it can be transparent or translucent. These are internal question answer of chapter number 5. So we have completed this chapter here. So tomorrow onwards we will start new chapter. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.